Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and today I wanted to share with you one of my last summer snack ideas, and this one is one of my favorites. It's something that I first discovered in Mexico on the beaches of Cancun, and I have been hooked. And I was able to finally find the ingredients to recreate this delicious recipe at home. So if you guys love Mexican fruit cups, please subscribe and keep watching. Alright, so I wanted to share with you actually two versions of this cup. One is actually not fruits at all, and it's made with cucumbers. So you can take any type of cucumber that you have. I only had American cucumbers, which I had to peel, so I do prefer either the Persian cucumbers or the English cucumbers that you can eat the skin. These ones you do have to peel. So the first thing I did was peel and chop my cucumbers into little squares, and then that's really it. The two main ingredients for both of these dishes is chamoy, which is honestly like a liquid form of tahini, and then the second is Tajin seasoning. These two are magical. I add this to everything that I possibly can, mostly just fruits though, but if you have fruits that are not quite ripe, it's absolutely perfect for that. So then I just added my cucumbers and then a little bit of Tajin seasoning and that chamoy sauce, and that's really it. I absolutely love this. It's such a good refreshing snack to have, and it's healthy. Just do be careful of the sodium, because that is one thing that Tajin and chamoy have, is a lot of sodium. I tried to find the less sodium version of the Tajin seasoning, but I couldn't, so this is just the regular one, but they do have the less sodium one for those that are interested. But this is it. It's delicious. I love it. Alright, so the second version of this recipe involves some mangoes and star fruit. The first thing I did was take one of these red mangoes, peeled it and chopped it into little cubes, and then also I cut star fruit. Star fruit is something that you probably won't find too many places. I did find it at my local Wajimaya, but you can sub it with any other type of fruit. Watermelon is delicious, basically anything, but I decided to use star fruit today. Next, I just line my cup with the chamoy sauce, and then I add mangoes and star fruit, just different layers of the different fruits, and then I top it with the Tajin seasoning and a little bit more chamoy, and that is it. That is the second version. So obviously you can play around with what type of fruits and veggies that you put. I find veggies that are a little bit more watery and fruits that are a little bit more tart are perfect for me. I love having this with berries especially, so in the summertime when berries are in season, this is perfect. So that is all, guys. Very simple recipe. Alright, there you guys go. That is my very easy Mexican fruit cup recipe. It's so delicious, and if you can find the ingredients, so easy to make. If you guys love these type of snack videos, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.